What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Just a reminder, guys, I do have a membership that goes over the SPY on a daily basis. I update the chart every day after market close, so you can see if the analysis has changed and where the SPY is most likely headed next. If you're interested in that, make sure you check out my membership. It also comes with a bunch of other benefits, such as looking over Bitcoin and gold. So I know a lot of you guys ask for those types of content too. It's all in my membership. So let's take a look at the daily chart for the SPY. Since last week Sunday, you can see the price has increased in value off of this low right here at the 410 level, because it looks like when I drew this green channel and I had the lows at the previous swing low, you can see that's where price bounced from. So that was acting as support. Price, rapidly increased, and now we went back to this prior swing high at the 437 level. So let's see what happens here. Looks like price did gap over this green channel, so this could be invalidated, and we may just see price continue to move up higher and higher. So yeah, this is a very strong move up higher. You can see that the bulls are staying above this trend line. So either way, this is a very bullish move up higher for the SPY. It's cannot stay below that 417 level for too long because it was prior resistance, and now it could be acting as support. So this is a good sign for the SPY. I think eventually we're going to probably see the 460 taken out or tested, because this is a yellow uptrend channel. After an uptrend channel gets break, we usually see two pushes in that direction. So right now this is the first push in that direction, and once this stalls out, we can expect to see a second push. So something like that. So that's what I'm envisioning for the SPY. You can see that we had a V bottom reversal also take place. What does that mean? It means that the market dropped really sharply, and since it's coming back up sharply, we're going to probably be taking out that prior swing. So if the market goes down really fast and it starts reversing, we can go up about the same speed back up. So that's exactly what occurred. We took back this entire drop within a week. So again, it was a very sharp drop and a very sharp move up. I'm still expecting higher prices, and it looks like we may be seeing the bears fail to reach this measuring target towards the downside. This is one leg down right here. This is the start of the second leg. Since price is right back near that swing, it could be invalidated, and that can lead to a strong reversal in the opposite direction. And that's what we're getting right now. So these measuring targets probably won't be reached, so I'll go and erase it. There's a good chance it probably won't be reached, and I think we're going to be seeing much more higher prices. So let's go and clear up the chart. You can see that the bulls also broke this trend line, and I think the next target would be the 442 level, which coincides with this trend line that I drew off the swing highs back here in July and September. So I think that would be the next target, right back over here. So it's a good area for price to maybe get rejected from, or see a little pullback, because we're not going to continue moving up in a straight line. But either way, this still looks pretty bullish. Bulls maintain support above the 417 level, rapidly increasing in value and price. So again, this is headed up. I'm looking for the 442 and then maybe the 460 in the next coming weeks, maybe sometime this year. I don't think we're going to get there that quickly, but you never know in this type of market. It's been pretty volatile basically since January of 2022. So that's all I have for the SPY on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So last week was very bullish. You can see there was a nice green reaction or candle off of that 417 low 400 level. Signifies that the bulls are defending that level. You're seeing price starting to get back above the EMA. So this looks good for a continuation to the upside. Expecting a little bit of resistance soon, maybe at the 442 level. Let's see if we get a pullback or not. Even if we do see a pullback, there's a good chance we'll see higher prices. And overall, the bears may fail to have reached this measurement target towards the downside. This is one leg down. This was the start of the second leg down, and they tried multiple attempts, and it could be a failure to reach this target, which can lead to a strong move in the opposite direction. So looking pretty good for right now. And yeah, it's very hard to stop that move up higher. The bears going to have a hard time doing that. So that's all I have for the SPY. Looks pretty bullish. I was pretty bullish throughout this entire up move. We're coming near, some type of stronger resistance than we have seen. So we could be seeing a small little pullback or a correction. And then higher prices from there are most likely going to occur. So pretty good for the SPY. Do I see, something else? Not really. I'll give you guys an update most likely next week Sunday. Now let's take a look at the triple Qs. So again, triple Qs are also pretty bullish. It broke out, it reached a measurable target, which is a good sign, and it broke below the 354 level, and that was a failed breakout. Price immediately reversed after it reached the measurable target. Strong move up higher, so we still have this bullish momentum in play. You can see the trend line is holding it really nicely to the upside. We are near some type of resistance off of this trend line that I drew off the swing highs, but again, the bulls may be able to break that level and also break above the 372 level. We'll see. So again, like I said before, the QQQ is kind of near resistance versus the SPY, which has a little bit more room to the upside. But either way, I still see higher prices from here. I think the QQQ will eventually break that prior high of the uptrend, 387, and then probably test that all-time highs at the 408, most likely sometime this year. It's just a very good chance. You can see that we had a large drive up from last year, November, and now this is not really a large pullback, which is a good sign. We can look at a fib retracement real quick from the lows to the highs, right about here. Yeah, so it did not even retrace 38.2%. So there's still a strong move up higher. So let's see. I'm expecting more bullish price action. I think this is pretty good for higher prices. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. And again, a very strong move up from last week. I don't think we're going to see a strong reversal take place to the downside. It looks pretty good to the upside. I'm expecting a breakthrough of the 372. A retest of the 384, and then an advancement towards the all-time highs at the 408. So looks pretty good for right now. So all I have for the SPY and QQQ, and I'll give you guys an update most likely next week Sunday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.